So we found a parking spot for the car here. Right here. Nice little spot. This man here is selling parking. In Sayulita, it's very full. Hard to find a parking spot. And basically, better to have a motorbike or an ATV here in Sayulita. The streets are very narrow and parking is very difficult to find. Any idea what kind of restaurant you want to eat at? What kind of restaurant you like? Yeah, I'm not too hungry, so I'm in no rush to eat. Are you?
Me neither.
So we can walk around and take our time, find a place that might even want a promotional video or whatever have you. Got to be careful you don't get run over by little motorbikes here. There's the Funky Peru Kitchen Bar, Mexican Fusion, whatever that is. And here's some of those razors. And here's where the street splits here. And all the street. Yeah, we have to remember how to find our way back. So we'll look for this fancy building with the rock here on the bottom, and that'll be our landmark, eh? So we've got to the bridge now, and we're gonna go to the left here. And there's one of the many restaurants you'll see along here in Sayulita. Parking, which is a premium here. Another place where you can rent some parking. You have to pay 150 pesos to park here for a day, which is quite a bit of money. Probably like whatever that is divided by 12.7. Look at all these parking places here for rent. So many parking places. I wonder what he was selling on the motorbike. One of the many golf carts here that people like to get around on. And they even know how to park it. So yeah, it looks like there's a channel over here. And what do you figure that is? Is that the river outlet? Yeah, I guess that's where the river comes out, eh? Oh, you can see the smashing waves on the beach over there, and this must be their water plant here. It looks like the river's kind of low right now. Oh, and here's a surfboard rental place where you can rent surfboards. Acceso a Playa, beach access. So we're officially at one of the beach accesses. And now here's a baño for 5 pesos. You have to pay 5 pesos to go use the bathroom there. And here we are in Sayulita. This is it, Sayulita. There's the Playa Beach Club. Oh, look at the big boat out there. Do you see that big fishing boat straight out in front? Right straight in front of us, there's a big fishing boat out there. And amigo selling some weed here. Quanta Cuesta. Oh, see, may have already. Gracias. So here we are, Sam's oysters. Oh, mucho bueno. Oysters. And here's the Sayulita beach here. Have a quick look around at the Sayulita beach here. There's the little channel river that comes out where we just walked down to the beach access. Some houses up on the hill there. And we'll go take a look here at the view of the beach. Well, pretty nice beach, eh? Gotta like it. The beautiful sandy beaches here. Very, very clean water. Oh, and you gotta run quick when the wave comes. Oh, and this guy's getting ready to catch some fish out here. He's got his net. We're going for a walk on the beach to explore and look for a restaurant. Look at he's fishing for fish. He's going to throw his net in the water there, catch some fish. So you can see they have some good waves here for surfing in Sayulita. Quite a few beachside massage places there. And we have the first tent encampment that I've seen yet here. So you can live right on the beach in Sayulita in a tent if you'd like, it looks like. And that's a cute little place there. It almost looks like a little hobbit house or something. And here's the lifeguard and some board rental place here. Another lifeguard station. So it looks like they take swimming here very seriously. And here's my friend from Haiti. We came together. Pretty nice place, eh? Gotta love it.
Get to the end of the beach.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the end?
No.
We're good enough here? So you figure we should turn around and head back? Alrighty. So we're gonna turn around and head back because we're on the search for a restaurante. A restaurante that will give us a promotional meal in exchange for a video, hopefully. Well, we'll see. But here we are in Sayulita. You never know who you're gonna run into or where you're gonna end up on Budget Traveler.